Hello, traders, and welcome to this new series on stock trading and technical analysis for beginners. If you're watching this, chances है कि आप trading के बारे में बहुत curious हो and you want to learn how it works, you want to learn how market works. So, without any hype, without any false promises, let me be very clear from the start. This course is not about getting rich overnight. It's not about strategies. In fact, मैं एक भी strategy नहीं बताऊंगा इस course में. It's not about copying trades from someone else. This course is for people who are absolutely new to the market. जिन्होंने कभी जिन्हें charts नहीं देखा है, they don't know what candles are. Chart देखते ही you don't understand anything, right? So this is for absolute beginners. By the end of this course, I hope that you'll understand how trading works, how chart works, how professional things, and most importantly, why it is important to learn survival in trading more than making profits. So, if you're a beginner, you're in the right place, and let's begin. As I said earlier, this course is for complete beginners, people who have never traded, who have never seen the charts before. This course is for those who want a structure and a discipline, and above all, a clarity about what market is and how it works. And what it isn't, it isn't a get rich quick scheme. There's no signals, there's no systems, there's no strategies over here. So, this will be your roadmap. मैं इस कोर्स को मोस्ट प्रोबेबली 10 वीडियोस में 10 मॉड्यूल में डिवाइड करूंगा, मीनिंग 10 मॉड्यूल्स for 10 videos for each. You'll learn introduction to the markets, you'll learn trading environment, you'll learn charting and technical basics. You'll learn what is risk management, what is psychology. Even if you're not a part of the market, तुमने बहुत videos में देखा होगा people talk about psychology. We'll talk about this, we'll talk about building our own system, and then how you can yourself learn how to trade. And this is a disclaimer for you all. Now let's get started. Let's start with the introduction and expectation of what trading is and what it isn't. Trading simply means buying and selling of an asset to profit from its price movement. कोई भी asset है, and the whole world, if you think about it, has been running on trading. पहले barter system होता था, that was a trade, then money came, things got exchanged for the value of money. Everything has been trade. So to give you a simple example, you purchase some fruits from a vendor, और तुमने समझो fruit 100 रुपए में खरीदा, and then you sell it off to someone for 150 rupees. So you've made a profit of 50 rupees. So this whole transaction is an act of trading. What you're not doing is you're not predicting the future, you're not gambling, you're not hoping, you're just making market-based decisions. And there's a huge difference between trading and investing, which we need to know, because most beginners, they lose money without first of all understanding the difference between what is trading and what is investing, and then without understanding the foundations of trading. Nowadays, बहुत easy हो गया है for you to trade. You just have to create a demat account, and then everything starts from there, right? You know few buttons to click, you know how to enter, you know how to exit, you know how does money look जब वो plus हो रहा है, and how does it look जब वो minus हो रहा है. So access to trading has become very easy, but trading in itself has never been easy. So as I explained, trading in simple words means buying and selling of an asset to profit from its future movement. Whereas investing is actually trading itself, but simply for a longer term. हम trading करते हैं anywhere between a span of seconds, sometimes high frequency institutions जो होते हैं, they trade for nanoseconds, milliseconds, whatever. But generally, we categorize as the retail traders, okay? तो हम retail traders generally seconds to minutes to hours to days and to months. These are the time frames we use. और इस हर टाइम फ्रेम के हिसाब से एक टाइप का ट्रेडर कहलाता है, जो हम आगे डिस्कस करेंगे. बट जनरली इफ यू आर ट्रेडिंग, अगर तुम 1 साल से कम के लिए किसी एसेट को होल्ड करते हो, यू आर जनरलाइज्ड एज अ ट्रेडर. Whereas इन्वेस्टर तुम तब बनते हो जब 1 साल से ज़्यादा के लिए होल्ड करते हो. दैट इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन ट्रेडिंग एंड इन्वेस्टिंग. अब उसमें बहुत चीज़ें होती है कि ट्रेडिंग टेक्निकल एनालिसिस पे चलता है, इन्वेस्टिंग फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस पे चलता है. बट राइट नाउ यू डोंट नीड टू नो दैट. Right now, the only difference you need to know is of the duration. एक ट्रेडर शॉर्ट टर्म ड्यूरेशन से प्रॉफिट करता है, एक इन्वेस्टर लॉन्ग टर्म ड्यूरेशन. तो हाउ डज अ ट्रेडर एक्चुअली मेक मनी? Many beginners believe कि ट्रेडर पैसे बनाते हैं मार्केट प्रेडिक्ट करके, बट दैट्स एक्चुअली नॉट ट्रू. रियलिटी में प्रोफेशनल ट्रेडर्स पैसा बनाते हैं रिस्क मैनेज करके, प्रोबेबिलिटी के गेम पे खेल के, एंड डिसिप्लिन रह के. मेनी पीपल कॉल दिस अ गैम्बलिंग इंडस्ट्री, राइट? इन द सेंस सच तो है. तुम अगर किसी चीज पे पैसे लगा रहे हो टू अर्न और लूज मनी, इन दैट सेंस इट इज गैम्बलिंग, राइट? बट द ओनली डिफरेंस बिटवीन रियल गैम्बलिंग एंड ट्रेडिंग इज यहाँ पे तुम कैलकुलेटेड गैम्बल कर सकते हो, कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क कर सकते हो, एंड यू अनलाइक अ कसिनो हियर तुम प्रोबेबिलिटी अपने साइड पे रख सकते हो, मीनिंग इन द लॉन्ग टर्म यू कैन ऑलवेज बी प्रॉफिटेबल, बिकॉज ट्रेडिंग इज ऑल अबाउट लूजिंग स्मॉल एंड विनिंग बिग. ट्रेडर्स बहुत बार भी गलत हो सकते हैं एंड स्टिल मेक मनी अगर उनके लॉसेस कंट्रोल नहीं है, अगर वो डिसिप्लिन्ड है, उनका रिस्क मैनेजमेंट कंट्रोल नहीं है. सो वी विल टॉक अबाउट what is a small loss, what is a big win, what is a big loss, what is a small one, small win, big win, small loss, big loss. ये चार एस्पेक्ट्स होते हैं ट्रेडिंग के, इसके बारे में हम आगे बात करेंगे. फॉर नाउ दिस इज हाउ ट्रेडर्स एक्चुअली मेक मनी. नाउ before we get even further ahead in this, let's talk about the realistic trading expectations you can have with trading. And बहुत से इसमें आपको बताएंगे नहीं कोर्स में कि what I am going to tell you, mainly because if they do, they'll not only shoo you out, but if they want to sell something in the future, they won't be able to sell it, right? And this is, trust me, this is a very important note for you to guys to understand. First thing is trading involves high risk. You might think कि मैं पैसे ही ज़्यादा नहीं लगाऊंगा, so how will it involve high risk for me? Trust me, एक टाइम आ सकता है, एंड हर ट्रेडर के जर्नी में आता ही है, जब तुम औकात से बाहर पैसे लगा दोगे. And most likely 95%, in fact 99% chance you lose that money. And to be honest, I hope you lose that money, as bad as it sounds, because when you will lose that money, then only you'll understand the importance, the risk that trading carries, and the importance of risk management. So firstly, it involves high risk. Okay, your result depends on your discipline, your consistency, on your risk management. Trading is not a get rich quick scheme. एक बहुत मैं whenever someone asks me about trading, मैं उन्हें हमेशा ये कहता हूँ कि it is very easy to get into trading, but it is very tough to make money out of it. And so these aren't my words, but it is the hardest way to make easy money. This is how I would describe trading, that it is the hardest way to make easy money. It is the worst business you can start off with thinking of making money. It's gonna take a lot more time than you think. Of course, it has unlimited returns, right? But it will generate unlimited returns only when you have the potential to generate some returns. And that is exactly why trading is the worst business to start with. So if you ever think like becoming a trader and living off trading, few things you need to understand, it's gonna take time. It's gonna take maybe 3, 4, 5 years. And for some it's gonna take longer, for some it's gonna take less. But I'd say an average of 3 to 5 years should be your minimum expectation. Second, you trading shouldn't be your main source of income. At least if you are not young. If you're young and you're just learning now, it's different. If you're a bit old, and by old I also mean like you're in your 20s, ये तुम्हारा मेन सोर्स ऑफ इनकम नहीं होना चाहिए, तुम्हारा ओनली सोर्स ऑफ इनकम नहीं होना चाहिए. एज सिंपल एज दैट. एंड ट्रेडिंग में हम, लाइक आई सेड, पहले हम सीखेंगे सर्वाइवल, फिर हम सीखेंगे कंसिस्टेंसी, फिर हम सीखेंगे ग्रोथ. एंड इफ यू एक्सेप्ट दिस माइंडसेट राइट नाउ, if you accept this mindset with me that one, trading is a high risk game. Second, it's going to take a lot more time than we think. And thirdly, after all this, even if you put in, let's say, 10 years, there is literally a more than 95% chance that you won't make money out of it. So, as demotivating as it sounds, I'd rather give you guys the truth than motivate you into all those, like you see all those social media guys with the money, with the fame, with all those rented cars, right? I'm not going to do that for you because I know what trading really is and I know trading का world कैसा है, right? So this is module 1 for all you guys. We've already discussed who this course is for. ठीक है. And in the next video, we'll talk about market basics and instruments. This was just a warm-up video for you guys to understand what trading is. And I might have demotivated you, but it's not like you can't make it. You can make it. You can do it. Just my simple word is just get everything out of your mind that you've seen till now before watching this course. जितने भी तुमने social media influencers को with their glamours देखे, जितने भी तुमने guys को with making crores of rupees over a single trade देखा, just forget all that. Let's start from the basics and let's get your basics cleared in the next video.